Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your PC without using a traditional emulator. While Supercell has not released an official computer version, there is a clever workaround. Many gamers typically use Android emulators, but these can demand significant computer performance. Instead, we will explore a method that mirrors your phone's display, allowing you to enjoy the fast-paced action on a larger screen with enhanced controls, offering a seamless experience for your favorite brawlers. Screen mirroring essentially projects your phone's screen onto your computer, giving you a bigger, clearer view of the game. Unlike a full Android emulator, which creates a virtual phone on your PC, screen mirroring simply extends your existing mobile experience. This means you can use your computer's mouse and keyboard to control your brawlers, offering more precise movements and quicker reactions in those intense 3 versus 3 matches. It's a streamlined way to enjoy mobile gaming on a desktop. To set this up, first, download a reliable screen mirroring application on both your mobile device and your computer. Once installed, connect your phone to your PC. A stable Wi-Fi connection or a direct data cable works best for minimal latency. After connecting, activate the mouse and keyboard control feature within the mirroring software. This allows your computer's peripherals to interact directly with your phone. You can then switch to full screen mode for an immersive, high-quality visual experience. With screen mirroring, you gain several advantages. You can customize keyboard mapping to suit your playstyle, giving you a competitive edge. A strong, stable internet connection is crucial to minimize any lag between your phone and PC. For the best performance, close any unneeded applications running on both devices. This method offers a wider field of view and more comfortable controls, transforming your Brawl Stars experience from a small screen to a much larger, more engaging display, perfect for strategic battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.